Okay, let's go check on everybody. Hi, babies. Okay, I already see a couple eggs. How are you doing, chickies? Need some more food? Need some more water? Look how big they're getting. Okay, there's egg number 1. Egg number 2. And I know exactly who laid this one. It's egg number 3. That mama right there. This one has been laying in that bag. You guys want some treats? Hi, babies. This is egg number 4. Five, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, there's more eggs. 8 and 9. Look how beautiful and speckled that one is. Okay, that is our biggest haul so far. Fill up your water, clean that out. Here you guys, puppies. Look at all my holes in my yard. Dang, girls. What is that real quick? Alright everyone, here's our haul from today. We got 4 Muscovies and 4 Cayuga and 1 chicken. See you next time.